Could you deal with or address the, any concerns or fears that you had along your etiquette coaching journey?
Well, it's funny you should ask that because I was so reluctant to even start the mentoring program.
Hmm.
I don't know where the fear came from. It was self-imposed for sure.
Mhm.
But I was so afraid to start the mentoring program and make a phone call to rent out a space. It took me 5 years,
Hmm.
5, before I even started because I was so afraid, judging myself and finding all the reasons why I couldn't, until one day I said, you know what, I'll just do it afraid. And I just took the bull by the horns. And my biggest fear, I believe, was fearing that I wasn't good enough or I wasn't the right complexion,
Hmm.
if you will, to have a career or even teach someone etiquette principles because I had never seen anyone that looked like me doing it. So that was the biggest fear. I had no roadmap from someone that looked like me that gave me basically permission, if you will, to step into this arena. So it was fear that kept me from even starting. But after a while, I said, you know what, later for the fear. I am going to do this. My daughter, her life depends on it. My life depends on it, and so many other people. So I would suggest that anybody listening to me who's afraid to launch out into the deep for something that they're passionate about, I would say just do it. Do it afraid.
Wow. And if that's not a message, a sermon, a whole, book right there in that sentence, I don't know what is. It is. I hope everyone who's listening, particularly the women, particularly our girls, if you're listening, catch that. Do it afraid. It is so important. And, me as, an Afro Latina, I am taking up space in an industry that traditionally has been, older white male, but it's important for us not only to take up space, but to be seen and allow ourselves to be seen. And Tamlyn, you need to be out there. And I'm so thankful that we have role models like you who did it afraid, just like you're telling us to do. And you're out there, you're a published author, and you've impacted more lives than you know. I fair to say.
Thank you for
I'll
saying that.
guess that, yeah, I am positive that you have, because so many people watch you, but they may not like your posts on Instagram, or send you a tweet or anything, but people are watching and trust that you are making an impact.